Hello and welcome back to Celebrate Life, Celebrate Pregnancy. I'm your friend Parinita Rohra here to talk about the developments of the baby in the 6th week of pregnancy. Well, you must take good care of yourself now since you're in the 6th week of pregnancy and you may be experiencing all the symptoms that one goes through in the first trimester. But you need not worry as this is just a passing phase and you will soon be hale and hearty. Well, so till week 5 we saw that how all the internal as well as the external organs of the body had started developing, including the features of the face as well as the buds of the fingers and the toes. And now in week 6 too, the baby is going to grow really fast. The baby would now be around 1/4 inch long, and since the organs are developing, there could also be some movements. So now coming back to week 6, let's begin with the heart, which has now divided into left and right chambers, and it is beating around 100 to 160 times per minute, which is almost twice as fast as yours. The blood is of course pumping. The pituitary gland, which releases hormones, is also forming along with the rest of her brain. The lungs, the intestines, the liver and the pancreas are forming. The muscles and the bone tissues are also building up. The external organs like the arms and the legs are protruding, while the facial features like the eyes, nose, ears, mouth and nostrils are also forming. Now if you could see your baby, you would find that it has an oversized head in proportion to the body. Some facial features too would be visible. Now, let's play the small guess game again. If you would see some dark spots, some openings and some marked pits, what do you think they would be? Well, the dark spots would be the eyes, the pits would be none other than the ears, and the openings would be the nostrils. And what would be the protruding buds that you see? Well, these buds are none other than the arms and the legs of your baby. Well, that was really a cute bundle of joy. And why not? After all, the baby has grown to almost double its size than what it was last week. And it will continue to grow double its size next week. And that is exactly what we are going to see in Celebrate Life, Celebrate Pregnancy Week 7. We saw last week that how the baby looked like a tadpole with a tail, with its head quite large in proportion to the rest of the body. We also saw that the baby's heart had divided into left and right chambers and that it beats almost 100 to 160 times, that is almost double the times our heart would beat. We also saw that the baby's internal as well as external organs had begun to develop. So now we are ready to further understand the development of the baby in week 7. In week 7 too, the baby is growing really very fast. The brain is growing rapidly, resulting in the embryo having a large forehead. In fact, again the head looks quite large in proportion to the rest of the body if we were to look at it. Coming back to the brain has been divided into 2 parts that make up the cerebral hemispheres of the brain. And as many as 100 nerve cells are being created each minute. These nerve cells continue to multiply and develop as the nervous system, as the brain and spinal cord start to take shape. The facial features are also coming into focus as the eyes and the ears continue to develop. Talking about the eyes are forming further with the retina and the lens, which would now have been formed and attached themselves. And coming to the ears, the inner ear has started to develop while the outer ear on the side of the head will not appear for next few weeks. The teeth and the tongue are also forming inside the mouth, although they are not yet visible. The limb buds start to form the cartilage, which will develop into the bones of the legs and arms. Also, the arm buds get longer and the ends flatten out, which will become the hands. So basically, the embryo would have distinct and slightly webbed fingers and toes, which would now move in fits and starts. It's also interesting to know that now if you would go for an ultrasound, your baby's fingers and toes would be seen. Coming back to the internal organs, the liver of the baby inside has now begun to produce large amounts of red blood cells, which will later be produced by the bone marrow once it is formed. So also during this week, your baby is going to develop its own blood type. Wow, now that's quite a progress and it's really so cute. If I were to see your baby, I would have definitely reacted like, "Hey little one, is this the same you whom I had seen last week? Grown big, man. You were just about half of what you are today. Great going, keep it up." Well, so we'll visit this baby again next week to see if it continues to grow as fast as it has been growing so far. I'm going to talk about the 8th week of pregnancy today. Last week, that is in week 7, we had seen that a lot had happened regarding the development of the brain, wherein the nervous system had developed, and also the facial features were more prominent except for the ears, which had still not appeared. The limbs were now very obvious and would be seen if you went for an ultrasound, and the other internal organs too continued to develop. The red blood cells would now have been formed, and also the blood type may have been determined. And now we are in week 8. Week 8 signifies many special things. The baby was in the embryonic stage and now it is going to get into the fetal stage, and it's also going to lose its embryonic tail. The fetus is still inside its amniotic sac and the placenta is continuing to develop and will soon attach to the wall of the womb. At this stage, the fetus still gets its nourishment from the yolk sac. This week, many changes take place in your baby, which now measures about 1.6 centimeters. In his brain, nerve cells are branching out to connect with one another. The spinal cord, the muscles and the nerves are beginning to function, while the kidneys, the liver and the stomach have begun to take shape. The intestines grow longer. The ossification or the hardening of the bones begin to occur, and the elbows, wrists and other bones and joints are taking shape. Although they are hard to see, the gonads are forming into either testicles or ovaries. Coming to the heart, the aortic and the pulmonary valves are distinctly present in the heart, which has now divided into right and left chambers and beats at twice the rate that a heart would beat, about 150 times a minute. The ears are growing and shaping internally and externally. The jawline and mouth are also clearly visible, and the teeth are where they are supposed to be. The eyelids cover more of his eyes and taste buds are forming on his tongue. The baby has distinct, slightly webbed fingers and toes and see-through skin. Webbed feet and hands begin to grow longer and separate, and if you could look closely, you can almost count all 20 fingers and toes. The legs are lengthening and forming cartilage too. The different parts of the leg are not yet distinct now, and your baby's hand now bend at the wrist. Well, that was quite breathtaking. The baby is really growing very fast. That was all I could tell you about the 8th week of the development of your baby. The 9th week development of your baby during pregnancy. Up to 8th week, we saw that the baby had started losing its embryonic tail, and it can now be called a fetus, which literally means a little one. The internal and external organs continued to develop, with its webbed feet and hands beginning to separate and making it easier for us to count all 20 of them. We also saw that the gonads had just begun to form, which would either be testicles or ovaries. And now let's see the development of the baby during the 9th week of pregnancy. Well, this is your 3rd month of pregnancy and the baby weighs around 3 grams and it is just an inch long. The face is slowly forming, eyelids cover its eyes, and the interesting point to be noted here is that the eyelids will fuse together or will just get shut and will reopen only during the 27th week of pregnancy. The eyes are bigger and more obvious now and they have some color in them. Its ears are also beginning to take shape on the sides of its head. There is a mouth and the tongue with tiny taste buds. So most of the physical features of the baby are in place, such as the head, arms and the legs. It has hands that can flex at the wrist and it's able to fold them over his heart. The head again is quite large in comparison. The major internal organs such as the heart, the brain, the lungs, the kidneys and the gut continue to develop, and your baby's heart should also have divided into 4 separate chambers and it will be pumping rapidly, which is quite normal. It might now have a strong heartbeat to be picked up by a fetal Doppler, which is a handheld device that can monitor the heartbeat of the fetus. This week, most of the organs and the muscles of the baby should be functioning on their own. The baby's genitals must have been formed, but even the doctor cannot tell the sex of the baby right now. But anyways, it is illegal to detect the sex of the baby. And we are not really thinking about the sex of the baby right now. What is more important is that the baby ought to be healthy, irrespective of whether it is girl or a boy. The 10th week of pregnancy today. But before that, let us quickly recap as to what was going on with the baby inside until the last week. Well, we saw that the baby's facial as well as other physical features such as the hands, the legs and the head were quite prominent, with the head quite large in proportion to the rest of the body. The other internal organs too had continued to develop, with the baby's heartbeat probably quite loud and clear on the ultrasound. Now, in the 10th week, before we talk about the baby, let's talk about you. This is a time when you may notice an extra curve on your tummy, and it may not be so prominent, and it is probably just you who has noticed it. And you must feel proud of it. Actually, we can take this sign as the good news that the baby is growing quite rapidly. Now, coming back to the baby's development. Soon, in the next 3 weeks, the body length of the baby would almost be double. If you could look at your baby's face, you would be able to see its upper lip and 2 tiny nostrils in the nose. The jaw bones would be developed and they would already contain all the future milk teeth. Tooth buds would have formed, bones would be growing, and the crowning glory, that is the hair, would start to sprout, also along with the fingernails. The baby's eyelids, as we discussed last week, would be fused shut and would remain closed until week 27. The ears would start to develop on the sides of the baby's head, and inside the head, its ear canals would be formed. And hold on, this also means that the baby would be able to hear you now, as the inner workings of the ear are complete. The baby would also be able to bend its arms at the elbows and would have distinct fingers. So the baby would have working arm joints and its cartilage and bones would be forming. Coming to the brain, the neurons or the brain cells would appear at one end of the spinal cord, and the basic divisions of the brain would be present. The heart would now be fully formed, beating 180 times a minute. Yes, it's 180 times per minute. That's about 2 to 3 times that our heart would beat. As the internal organs would continue to grow, the baby's vital organs such as the kidneys, liver, intestines and brain would also start functioning on their own. Genitals too continue to form, though they are not so prominent even now in the 10th week. And the baby is making small jerky movements which can be seen in an ultrasound scan. Yes, the baby is swallowing and kicking in there. And believe me, this is not a dream, it is actually happening. And we will continue to living this dream in our next video, where we will see the development of the baby in week 11. Given below is our email ID. Do send in your feedback and queries to us. Also do subscribe to our channel. So keep watching Celebrate Life, Celebrate Pregnancy. Also keep breathing, chilling and relaxing. Thanks for watching.